Hi guys, I'm Prashanthi and you're watching Cook with Prashanthi. Finally, I am back with the recipe video after 4 months. Sorry guys, I have filmed this recipe video 4 months back but couldn't post because of health issues. I was hospitalized. Many things happened and some great news also is there to share with you all, but I will share it on my first channel. Recently I have changed the name to Tales by Prashanthi. Before it was Style with Me. So if you want to know what is the great news that I want to share, you can watch it on that channel. Soon I will release videos on that channel. I am planning to make vlogs on that channel and bring food related videos on this channel. So please show some love and support as always. So today's recipe is simple chicken curry or simple dry chicken fry curry. Take 300 grams of boneless chicken pieces. Rinse them with water till all the blood is washed away. Now to that add 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and give it a good mix and let it marinate for 30 minutes. While it is marinating, I have sliced 2 medium-sized onions and taken 5 green chilies medium size and gave it a slit. Now take a skillet, place it over medium flame and pour 3 to 5 tablespoons of cooking oil. I have taken groundnut oil. Now once the oil is heated, add the sliced onions, slit green chilies, and once they are translucent, add the marinated chicken, give it a stir and close the skillet with a lid and let it cook for 20 minutes on medium flame by stirring occasionally. Once the chicken is cooked, add tomatoes. Here I have taken 2 medium sized tomatoes, roughly cut into medium sized pieces. And now after adding tomatoes, close the lid and let it cook for another 10 to 15 minutes till the tomatoes are nice and smashy. Now to this add few mint leaves, stir it and again cook for another 5 minutes. Now finally add chicken masala to this, 1 tablespoon, and give it a stir and cook for another 1 or 2 minutes. Turn off the flame and let the skillet be covered with the lid till it is being served. Our simple chicken curry with minimal ingredients is ready to be served with rice and rasam or even with chapati or pulkas. And please subscribe to my channel and share this recipe with your friends and family members. I hope you like this video. If yes, hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel. I will be back with more such interesting recipes. That's all for today. See you next time. Bye.